Pour some water in the vessel and bring it to boil. Today, I and my papa are going to give surprise to my mummy. My papa is behind the camera. Take a pan and pour some oil in it. Add 1 cup of chopped onion. Now water is boiling. I am adding pasta into it. After the onions are little fried, add 1 cup of grated tomatoes in it. You can also chop it into fine pieces. Now I am going to add some spices. I am adding red chili, salt and 1 packet of Maggi masala. I am adding little salt because Maggi masala is also having salt. Mix it well. Add some tomato sauce and soya sauce. Now pasta are cooked. Empty it into a sieve. Sieve the extra water. Add pasta into the gravy. Mix it well. Take half spoon of corn flour powder. Add half cup of water in it. Mix it well in the gravy. It will make the gravy thick and tasty. Pasta is ready. Try to make it at your home, but always in the presence of your parents. Surprise for mummy is ready. Let's go पापा. फ्रेंड्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.